Hey everyone, Nicole here from Atlas Steel Co. I've had a lot of questions lately about how to take care of your steel and clean your steel, so I'm just gonna do a short video on that. So I honestly don't wash my steel very often. This would not bother me. I would still cook pizzas or whatever on top of this, but a lot of people aren't comfortable with that and they want a clean slate. So in your care instructions, it says like to just wipe it off afterwards, which is normally what I do. But if you are one of those people that wants to wash it, you definitely can. So you're gonna wash it in soap and water, get all the sticky stuff off, and then the key is to dry it properly afterwards. So I'm just gonna wash it here, put it in your sink, wash it like you would normally wash a pan. Get all the sticky stuff off. You can use like scrubbing brushes, stuff like that. To re-oil it, so I'm just gonna put a thin layer of oil all over it and rub that in with a lint-free cloth. There you go. Make sure to do all sides and the edges as well. Like so. And I'm making pizza tonight, so this guy is gonna go into the oven, preheat at 500 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour, so that's really gonna set in my oil. Let me know if you have any questions.